Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the MACD Blaster Pro indicator. So let us start by adding the indicator to the chart, drag and drop. These are the input settings. You can modify them according to your taste. You can change the MACD power value. You can change the font size. You can change the font type, as you can see, right? You can also decide if you want alerts to be on or off, amongst others. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. All right, the indicator helps us to identify the prevailing momentum in the market, and it also gives us precise signals. Right now we can see that we have a buy signal. Okay, so we have a buy signal, and we are also seeing the current price being displayed. So the indicator will not only give you the signal, but it also shows you current price, right? Okay, so yeah, depending on the particular time frame that you want to work on, you can see now as we went to the daily time frame, there is no trade. The indicator is not yet certain of the direction on this time frame, so there is no trade, right? So whatever time frame you go to, the indicator will tell you whether to buy or to sell, or if there is no trade. All right, so it's a pretty straightforward indicator, but make sure that you always get confirmations as well. For example, you can make use of your trend lines, to identify the prevailing trend and ensure that the signal given to you supports the trend, or rather is in alignment with the trend. Okay, you don't want to sell when you are in a bullish trend, and you don't want to buy if you are in a bearish trend, right? So but if you are in a bullish trend and you get a buy signal, is a good sign to buy. Okay, just make sure you always get your confirmations and confluence, right? So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.